Should I or shouldn't I add hashtags to my YouTube videos? Will it make any difference? Is it worth the extra time? Will my channel get into trouble if I use too many hashtags? These are just a few of the questions that creators are asking about YouTube hashtags. In this video, I discuss the pros and cons of adding hashtags to YouTube videos so you can decide for yourself. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to know what YouTube hashtags are, how they work, and where to put them in your videos, click the link in the card. Let's first look at the cons of YouTube hashtags. Number one, a hashtag returns different search results than a keyword. For example, here are the results if I enter the keyword meditation in the YouTube search box. If I enter the hashtag meditation in YouTube search box, it shows me different results to the keyword meditation. Number two, click on a hashtag only brings up other videos that have the hashtags in their descriptions. If other videos that are related to that topic don't have the hashtag in their descriptions, they won't show up on the page. Number three, a popular YouTuber can dominate a particular topic. This means if you use the same hashtags as they do in your video description, then most of the videos that appear on that page will come from that person's channel. Your videos will be drowned out and won't appear, so you won't get any extra traffic from using that hashtag. Number four, unable to search within conversations and replies that are happening on YouTube. Conversations about a specific video only happen in the comments, so it creates its own bubble around that video. This is very different to Twitter, for example, for when you click on the hashtag, it'll show you the full conversation surrounding that hashtag. You not only see the tweets for the people using that hashtag, but you also see the replies. Let me know in the comments below if you experienced any other cons about using YouTube hashtags. Let's look at the pros of using YouTube hashtags. Number one, it helps discoverability. For example, if you create a unique hashtag for your channel, when someone clicks on that hashtag, only your videos will appear. Number two, creates clickable links. The hashtags that you add to your video description will appear as clickable links above your video title. So while somebody's watching your video on YouTube, they'll clearly be able to see the clickable links. If they click on that link and your videos dominate the watch page, then you'll get a lot of watch time. This helps your videos get discovered in YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos. Number three, searchable links. If someone enters the unique hashtag that's related to your channel in the YouTube search box, all your videos will appear on that page. It's a great way to get more viewers to your channel if you ask your subscribers to share your unique hashtag. You can share your hashtag on other social media platforms, your email list, and even your website to get more visitors. Number four, group videos together. For example, you could create a unique hashtag for a particular playlist. If someone clicks on that hashtag, all the videos from that playlist will appear on the watch page. Number five, discover videos on popular topics. If there's a popular hashtag, you can enter it in the YouTube search box to discover all the videos around that topic. If you're one of the first channels that creates a video around a trending topic and use a hashtag for that trending topic, you might dominate the search results for that hashtag. This may result in a flood of traffic to your video as other people use that same hashtag. Now you know the pros and cons of using YouTube hashtags. Let me ask you an important question. What experience have you had, good or bad, using YouTube hashtags? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. One of the biggest problems YouTubers have is coming up with new video ideas. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Just click the link in the card to watch my video series on how to research topics for your YouTube videos. I'll also show you how to create a content plan so you can schedule videos to be published at a later date. Download the free YouTube channel evaluation worksheet below so you can identify what you need to improve about your channel and your videos. Make sure you also subscribe and check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.